One of the most heartbreaking things I see as a family law attorney is when one parent withholds access of the children from the other parent. If you're facing this scenario right now, if you're not able to see your children because the other parent won't let you, I've made this video to give you some advice for how to handle that situation. In an ideal world, children would have free and liberal access to both of their parents. Everybody knows that children need their parents, both of them. But if it's not an ideal world that you're currently living in, here's my first tip. Make sure you take every single opportunity to see your children. I don't care if you have to see them supervised or for 5 minutes or even at a supervision center. It doesn't matter. If you have a chance to see your children, make sure that they get to see you. This will ensure that your children know that you still care. It will also tell a court that, yeah, I didn't like it and I didn't want to see my kids that way, but I didn't miss a single opportunity because I wanted my children to know their parent is here. Tip 2, consider filing an emergency motion. Not every jurisdiction is going to consider denial of access to be an emergency, but at the very least, you will be registering to the court your objection to not seeing your children on a regular basis. Let the court know, I need help. My children need help. I am not seeing my children. Talk to an attorney before you file this, but do consider whether or not this is an option for your family. Step 3, do not put your children in the middle. If your children are being kept away from you, they are already going through a really hard time. Their world is up and down and topsy-turvy, and this isn't good for them. Keep the children away from adult conversations. Do not tell the children, I'm not seeing you because your mom or dad won't let me. Let them be kids, be there for them, and see them as much as you possibly can. Consider maybe sending them little notes or little gifts now and then, but don't put them in the middle. I know some of these tips seem obvious, but these denial of access cases are some of the hardest that I've seen. Emotions get the better of you, and you can be really afraid. Afraid that if you agree to see your children at a supervision center, that you're agreeing to that as the status quo. Afraid that if you seek help from the court might shut you down. If this is you, talk to an attorney. We're here for you, we're here to help you, and we're here to walk you through it. Click here to call.